In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Systemi.io quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in to ensure you have a smooth setup process. First, you'll need to access your Systemi.io dashboard. To do this, navigate to the Systemi.io login page by entering https:/systemi.io/dashboard-n-login in your browser. Once there, simply enter your login email and password, then click on the sign in button. After logging in, the next step is to locate your profile picture in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and from the drop down menu, select Settings. Within the settings, you'll find a section labeled Payment Gateways. Click on this to proceed. You'll see various payment options here, but for this guide we'll focus on PayPal. Look for the PayPal option and click Connect. Now you need to access your PayPal business account. Head over to PayPal and log in using your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the account settings. Here you should find a section labeled Account Access. Within this section you'll see API Access. Click on that and then select the update link beside it. You'll be directed to the API settings where you should look for the MVP SOAP API integration. Classic. This is crucial as from here you'll need to copy your API username, API password and API signature. Make sure you do this carefully to avoid any errors later on. With your PayPal API credentials copied, return to your Systemi.io account. In the payment gateway section you'll find designated fields where you can paste your API username, API password and API signature. Once you've pasted the details, double check everything for accuracy and then click on Save. After saving, let's go back to confirm everything is set correctly. Once again, access your Systemi.io dashboard by logging in through the same link and ensure you enter your credentials accurately. Click Sign In, go to your profile picture and click Settings. You'll revisit the Payment Gateways section. This time when you click Connect next to the payment method you want to add, you should see a prompt to follow instructions to enter further payment information if necessary. Complete any additional steps required for your specific payment method setup, then click Save again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment method to Systemi.io. By following these steps, you've ensured that your payment setup is correctly configured, allowing you to focus on running your business smoothly. If any issues arise, revisiting these steps or consulting Systemi.io support may help resolve them. I hope this guide made the process easy for you. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.